This is Planet Pulse for Tuesday, December 21st. We have a full moon eclipse in Gemini today. I'm Jeff Jower.
And I'm Rick Levine. You know, every month there's a full moon when we on Earth come between the sun on one side and the moon on the other. The moon over 2 weeks gets brighter and brighter and brighter, and then for 2 weeks it becomes new. It gets dimmer and dimmer. But at the full moon today, over the course of 2 hours, the fullest full moon becomes dimmer until it goes out, and then it becomes brighter again. And so it's almost like it's an instant cycle within a cycle that really puts us through some emotional paces, because while we're at the most reflective, we become non-reflective and then reflective again.
That's really interesting. And I think it's about letting go. The moon has to do with habit. It has to do with the past. The moon is in dualistic, chatty, multiple choice Gemini. An eclipse of the moon in Gemini may indicate the need to eliminate some of the excess choices or activities that are going on in our lives. But this is a strange day because not only do we have a full moon, that's big, and an eclipse, but in less than an hour and a half after the full moon, the moon changes signs, and the sun will change signs today as well.
Right, which really does change. It gives even more instability to the energy, and eclipses are often unstable. The moon moves after the eclipse into sensitive Cancer. The sun moves into kind of structurally interested, kind of ambitious Capricorn, and it really shifts the energy quite a bit. But what's also interesting here is that dealing with the letting go and all of that energy, we may overdo it. We have some excess going on today from a square from mental Mercury to excessive Jupiter.
I think that's interesting. It's you've almost reversed the way we would normally look at it, but I think it's very insightful because Jupiter, the planet of bigger, better, more, and a challenging right angle square to Mercury often means an overdose of information or promising more than we can deliver or exaggeration. But I think that's a very good take on it, Rick, today, that the excess may be in squeezing something out. So perhaps before we let things go, to take a second look and see if there's not utility in what we're ready to leave behind. I'm Jeff Jower.
And for Planet Pulse, where you can learn how the planets pulse every day of your life, I'm Rick Levine.